Hello friends, welcome to our channel Easy Learn English. Today we will learn interesting story The Bicycle Fix. Little helpers make big differences. Lily and Sam's dad had a broken bicycle. Lily and Sam's dad had a broken bicycle. It was big, and Dad looked worried. It was big, and Dad looked worried. Lily and Sam wanted to help. Lily and Sam wanted to help. Lily found the toolbox. Lily found the toolbox. She handed Dad a big wrench. She handed Dad a big wrench. Sam held the bicycle steady while Dad worked. Sam held the bicycle steady while Dad worked. Together, they made the job easier. Together, they made the job easier. After a while, the bicycle was fixed. After a while, the bicycle was fixed. Dad was so happy. Dad was so happy. He thanked Lily and Sam for their help. He thanked Lily and Sam for their help. They realized even though they were small, they could do big things. They realized even though they were small, they could do big things. Helping each other made everything easier. Helping each other made everything easier. From that day, Lily and Sam became their dad's best little helpers. From that day, Lily and Sam became their dad's best little helper. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.